Copy command. What are types of copying I'm asking for? How and all we can copy to us?
We can copy from same directory. From directory for other folder.
Cut and paste is a move command.
With another file.
Okay. Copy the file to different path is a different file. You madam. Move command options. In the command. What is the time? What is the use of move command? Can you mute people who join, please? Move command. What are the things we have done in move command? What do you can answer? Okay, then we'll go to the new people's user. Move command. What are the things we can do? In the command. No, what are the functionalities? Next person, sir.
Copy paste.
Copy paste. Copy paste. Move command. What are things we can do? Running class on files also, folders also. Karat, right? Karat. Karat.
We can rename.
We can rename and
Move the file to the different.
you can rename and cut and paste. Yes, sir. Riyaz, right? How to delete a file?
RMRVF. File RMRVF.
R is mandatory for file.
No, sir, for directory element.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Anjana. I want to delete all the files starting with J. The current path, I want to delete all the files starting with J.
J bracket J.
I want to delete all the files starting with J. ಯಾವ ಫೈಲ್ ನೇಮು J ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯೋ ಆ ಫೈಲ್ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Madam, understand question? I want to delete all the files starting with J. Don't come into the conclusion beginning only I can't. Please. We done same exam we done in class day before yesterday. Yesterday or day before yesterday. Starting with J. J is mandatory. After J it can be anything. J star, right? Correct or no, madam? RM, J star. Correct? If you want to delete the directory also starting with J, RM as an RBJ. J star, sir? Yes or no? No, sure. Yesterday we discussed about the few commands. Okay? What is the difference between single greater than and double greater than? At least yesterday you can answer, sir. You, next to you. Single and double greater than symbol. Yesterday you done, sir. What you say, I'm asking question to help you guys not to pressurize. Don't be too serious, please. I'm asking question to help you. Don't feel me so serious. The other thing, I'm helping you guys to understand, sir, not to pressurize. Please be very clear in this. Okay, I'm trying to help you guys. Otherwise, I can come 15 minutes. I can say daily. I can finish 10 days. I can finish the course 10 days, 15 days early. If I stop these questions, but I won't do. Please, yes, sir.
The single the first one the point file ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಹಳೆ ಫೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಡಬಲ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಅದನ್ನು CSC ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್
Single greater than always going to create a new file. Simple statement. Single greater than always going to create a new file. Double greater than going to check file is existing or not. If file is existing, going to append the content to the same file. If file doesn't existing, it's going to create a file and add it. Answer? No. User. Uptime. Who command? Uname command. All the three command output I want to save into a file called as a praveen.txt. Yesterday came on now. Uptime, who command, uname command. I want to save in a file called as a praveen.txt. Praveen.txt, no, right now it's not existing. Karthik.
Can you repeat the question?
Uptime, who command, uname command, all three command output. I want to save into a file called as a praveen.txt.
Uptime, double arrow, Praveen.txt and same for the who am I and
Three.
and then we can execute it giving the cat.
The only thing I want this command output only. If you give double greater than praveen.txt is going to write in same file. So first is single greater than, second command on double greater than. Uptime greater than file name ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ first single greater than. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಫ್ರೀ ಮತ್ತೆ uname ಅಂತ double greater than ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡಬಲ್ greater ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ praveen.txt ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆನೇ ಆಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಂಗೆ ಬರೀ ಈ ತ್ರೀ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ರೀ. Anyone sir? All three command output I want to write a file. Understand my point? Yes? No. Clear sir? Yes, sir. Echo command, what you want to write, you can write sir. Uptime command output ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Uptime functionality ಗೊತ್ತು. But with the exact thing will come, we can't clarify. Yes or no? Right. What is the last command we discussed yesterday?
Record all question mark.
Record all question mark last? No. Record all question mark or first we started with count of line, count of words. Then we discuss the echo command. Then we discuss multiple examples of the single greater than, double greater than symbol. Then concatenation of the file. Then we discuss how to verify previous command executed successfully. No? That's the last, right? That's the last. So, now we discuss how to display the lines. Okay, fine enough. Super. No? Go to 3D class TMP. Okay, let's create one file of 20 lines. Create one file of 20 lines. Any content. Print 1 to 20 also I can do. Create one file of 20 lines. Cat greater than file name ಕೊಟ್ಟು 20 lines ಮಾಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. 1 to 20 also I can do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Understood, right? Don't see here, nothing I'm doing. You need to create one file of 20 lines. 1 to 20 you can do it, sir. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? Yes or no? Please. I'll do from shell scripting, sir. You can do it. You do normal cat greater than string. See here, I will doing from shell scripting. You won't be able to understand right now. In the end of the session, end of the course, we will be going to learn shell scripting also. The fail date today, July 5, right? 6. What's the date? 5. Create on files of 20 lines. Create on file of 20 lines, sir. Cat greater than file name ಕೊಟ್ಟು 20 lines ಕೊಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. 1 to 20 you can type. I done for 50. I done for shell scripting. Done? You are done, sir? Who are not done? Manjuna Saja, sir. What is it, sir? 55. Have you on 2 minutes? 20 or 15 anything. Don't count. Let it be whatever the thing. Don't count, sir. How much you can do. Done, sir? Now cat command will learn. Cat command ಏನು ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ? Content of the file. Count of lines ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? WC-L. ನನಗೆ complete file command output I don't want. What are the complete things is there? I don't want to display. I want to display only the top 10 lines in the file. Top 10 lines in the file. Get command will show defaultly 10 lines. Get command default ಆಗಿ top 10 lines ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. Tail command ಏನು ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ? Bottom 10 lines. Get command defaultly show the top 10 lines. Tail command show the defaultly bottom 10 lines. Correcta? Madi, first is Madi. Cat complete file. Head top. Do it, sir. What happened, sir? Why you require any help? What help? Any help you require? Okay. You want to go to office? You can leave then.
No, actually I went to
Okay, okay. You have any help required, let me know. Don't be stagnant. So, see, everyone is new only, sir. You should ready for change. Can't be static, sir. Say, for this job, that job, everything, remove it. Come as a fresher. I'm also learning, you're also learning. Nothing is different. Yeah, please. Everyone requires a change. Everyone should do if you want to progress. Karthik, I record on you. Tomorrow on 6 o'clock. Sir, tomorrow is 6 Okay, tomorrow. Done, sir? Done? Yet command, we came to know top 10 lines, tile, bottom 10 lines. Now I record only top 5 lines. Yet -5. Yet default agi 10 lines avulutte, sir. Particular lines for top 5 lines record yet -5. Bottom 5 line ಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ tile -5. ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಡ್ ಡಿಫಾಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ 10, ಟೈಲು ಡಿಫಾಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ 10. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ನಂಬರ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಐಫೋನ್ ಎಡ್ -10 ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. even tile -10 also you can give, but defaultly tile functionality for 10. Yet functionality also we can give. Getting my point, sir? Here and I done? Understanding? Getting, sir? Now I want to capture between lines now. Top ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು, bottom ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. Now I want to between extra between. I have total 50 lines, sir. You have only 20 lines. Okay. Now I want to extract. Okay, let's take your example only. I want to extract from 10 to 15. 10 in the 15. 10 in the 15. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That much only. Top 8, 5 and 5 got right. Top 5. Tile F5 bottom. 8, 5 and 10 bottom. Tile F10 bottom. But I want to extract in between now. Understand my point? Correct? How to extract in between, that we'll discuss. Correct? I want 10 to 15. Any input from your end? How we can do? Range you can't give, sir. Okay, no problem. Let's see. First, ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾಗ ಬೇಕು ಸರ್ ನನಗೆ 10 ಇಂದ 15. ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಒಂದು ಫೈಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಫೈಲ್ ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ನಾವು. ಹಂಗಾದ್ರೆ ಟಿಲ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್? 15. 10 to 15 ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ನನಗೆ. ಹಂಗಾದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 15 ಲೈನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಲೈನ್ ಬಂತ? ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ನನಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಪೈಪ್ಲೈನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ಸರ್. ಟೈಲ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಾಲಿಟಿ ಬಾಟಮ್, ಟೈಲ್ ಬಂದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸರ್. ಪೈಪ್ಲೈನ್ tile -5. Head complete 15 line. In that require bottom 5 line only. Pipeline tile -5. Head -15 lines ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ sir. Whenever you want to extract in between, what is the last line you require? Display till that one. Then pipeline tile of that one. 40 to 45 ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ? head -45 ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್. Then pipeline tile -5. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್? Till first I need to extract, display everything. In that I am going to pick up. Understand my point? Yes or no? If I want, I have 50 lines, huh? If I want to display from 30 to 35, head -35. 30 to 35 only. 35 line ಬಂತ ನನಗೆ. ಇದು ಬಾಟಮ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ನನಗೆ. tile -5. Actually tile -6 for 30 to 35. Getting my point, sir? Till what is the last end point? Display completely that. Then pipeline tile off what you require. Understand my point? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Can try, sir? Please try, sir. Time ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು sir. Please be energized. Getting, sir? See here and do, sir. One second. Let him see and do, no? Create ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಸರ್? Create filing. ಅದು file create ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನಾನು? ಇಂಟರ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. First you become good in creating files and all, sir. Visit any class, please. Observe here now. Concentrate. Done, sir? No. Now my point is, everyone came to know how to extract the top lines, bottom lines, between lines. Any doubts in this thing? Sure, sir? No. Oh, now we'll discuss about how to scroll. How to scroll a file line by line. Notepad open ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ scroll ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಲೈನ್ scroll ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಲಿನಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ that we'll see. For that we can't do in a 50 lines 20 lines and all. We require big file. So defaultly one path is there. In that path big files will be there. So we're going to go to that path and verify it, sir. What is the specialty of that file also I'm going to cover next week. Directory structure when we discuss it. Getting my point, sir? Now everyone go to this path /var log. What is the cd/var log? So first you should practice, sir. What are the terms you should practice? If not practicing, not going to work. If you're not putting your time for Linux, you will not be able to get. It's not like a college you can come and go. We require minimum 1.5 hour investment on the time. Then only Linux will be, once you're good in Linux only, you can learn AWS. If you're not opening a laptop, you're not practicing home, no chance. I'm clearly telling you. Done, sir? Done? No. You're struggling to execute commands, basic commands. That not be helpful. Yes. Done, sir? No. There's one file called as a messages, sir. ಹೌದಾ ಎಷ್ಟು ಲೈನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ WC-L ಕೊಡಿ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ everyone will be getting more than 100 I think so. Check it. Go to this path first cd/var log. Everyone went right? cd/var log. Done, sir? Do ls-ltr. There's a file called as a messages. ಹೌದಾ WC-L messages ಕೊಡಿ. At least everyone should be getting more than 100 lines. Yes or no? More than 100. Yes or no? No. Observe. Ready? No. How to scroll line by line we'll see now. More is the command to scroll a file line by line. More space file name. File name and the messages. ಯಾಕೆ ಮೆಸೇಜಸ್ ಫೈಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫೈಲ್ ನಾವು 100 ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. We can scroll only with a line greater than 100. 50 line on us we can't scroll. Notepad 10 lines ಇದೆ, 2 ಲೈನ್ ಇದೆ, ಸ್ಕ್ರಾಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ? Same concept here. Got my point, sir? More space file name. Give enter here. You'll get give more space file name. More space messages. Done, sir? Give enter going line by line. Give enter. Line by line ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? More space messages. Give enter. Going line by line or not? Yes, sir? Everyone done? Can you lift your hands? Well done, please. Okay, fine. If you want to go page by page scroll ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ space bar. Use space bar. Space bar. Page by page ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಇವಾಗ. ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್? Correct? If you want to come out, sir, Control C. If you want to come out, Control C. Understanding my point, sir? More command is used for scrolling. Adhe tara same functionality we have in less command, but both are same functionality. Nothing to anyone, you fix it what you require. But I'm going to tell that command also. Less space messages. Less is another command. Any doubt, sir? Doubt? More less space message. This is another command. This also has the same functionality as more. Less space. Any doubt, sir? Less space messages. Ready? Ille enter. Enter. Getting, sir? And if you want to go page by page, space bar. But here, if you want to come out, you need to press Q. Q for quit. You need to press Q. More only Control C. Illi first time different. Very nila. Both are used for scrolling. Getting my point, sir? Understood? Yes, no. Fine. Ready? Ready? Super. Now again go back to CD/TMP. Go back to CD/TMP. Now, how to arrange? How to arrange will see. How to arrange a file content. That we'll see now. In Windows, let me take not Windows. Let me take your cupboard. You have a lot of t-shirts. Red color, blue color, green color, everything all are jumbled. You want to arrange with the colors. What you will do? What you will do, sir? ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅದೇ ತರನೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ಹೌ ಟು ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಫೈಲ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಅರೇಂಜ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಅರೇಂಜ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ನಂಬರ್ correct that will discuss correct how to are the very much useful that will see getting my point right let's see greater than file name er.text any file name you can go Praveen I'll give Ajay Santosh Kiran Praveen Roy Fun person create one file like this or 2 times is yeah one second don't create this file 1 second wait 1 second Praveen this should not be repeated will take later how to edit the existing file that we're going to discuss, sir. Don't worry about it. In existing, if you want to delete particular line, particular word, that and all we're going to cover. Okay, don't worry. Here only we can delete it, but till the command not covered, I created new file. Here I created file, sir. Done. Now I want to arrange. What the arrange will tell in Windows, in Linux will tell us a sort. Linux will tell us a sort. What's the file name? You're going to arrange with respect to first alphabet, first letter. ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಜಯ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬೆಸನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಎ ಅಜಯ್ ಬಿ ಬೆಸನ್ ಎಫ್ ಜಾಯ್ ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಸಂತೋಷ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ರೈಟ್ Don't ask me. Sort space file name. It's going to arrange. Yes? No, sir? Yes, sir. All done? Anyone required help? Let me know. Anyone? All done, right? Yes. Super. Now, sir. I want to arrange a reverse order. Z to A. ಇದು A to Z ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್ ಸಾರ್ಟ್ ಟೈಫನ್ ಆರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ Z to A ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಸಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ A to Z ಸಾರ್ಟ್ ಟೈಫನ್ ಆರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಇನ್ ದ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ Z to A done sir now we'll discuss but production ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ alphabet sorting we never going to use that much normally going to sort with respect to numbers. Next, how to sort with respect to numbers building. Now we done with alphabets, sir. Now we discuss for numbers. Let's create a jumbled number now. Cat num.text. Don't create a file with the arranged numbers. Jumbled 55, 5, 2, 78, 45, 112. Then 1 year, then year 95, then year 25. Yes, sir? Getting my point? Yes, no. Clear, sir? Now I want to sort with respect to numbers, sir. how to do sorting with respect to number that we'll see. Okay? Observe ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಈಗ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ num dot text ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ it won't be correct. It is considered as a character. ನೋಡಿ 1 ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂತು ಅದು ಅಂಜಾಯ್ತು 2 25 45 next 5 ಈ ತರ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. That's not right. I need to inform Linus, you need to sort with respect to number. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ sort type and n. N is the option which you want to sort with respect to number. Ascending order. Yes sir? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ? If you want to do it descending, sort type and n. N are for reverse. Is your friend madam? Yes. Waited for a long time. Right. ನಂತರ sort type and n ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗಲೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. n ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it will take as a normal alphabet or character. We need to inform Linux that you are supposed to sort with respect to number. At the time -n. R for reverse. You should do that. Okay? Ready? Ready? Now we'll discuss about how to remove the duplicate contents of the file. How to remove the duplicate contents of the file. Okay. Let's take the t-shirt example only. You have multiple t-shirts with multiple color. In each color, I would like to have only one t-shirt. What you will do? In cupboard, you have a lot of colors, lot of t-shirt is the same color. So, in each color, I would like to have only one t-shirt only. What are you going to do first? Don't go Linux. Normal in cupboard, what you will do? You didn't understand my question. Understand my question or not, sir? In cupboard, you have a lot of color t-shirt. Same color, also different colors, a lot of things. In each color, I would like to have only one t-shirt. Rest all the t-shirt I want to throw out. First ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Separating nothing but sort. Separating nothing but sort. After that, I'll pick one t-shirt, then I'll throw out. That the command is unique. That we're going to do now. That the command is unique. Unique the command to remove the duplicate. But ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ first arrange ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. Arrange ಆಗಿರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ sort. Sort ಮಾಡಿ Yes sir? No. Some duplicate content like this. And again I'll do Santosh, Kiran, plus Joy, Fun, and again Kiran. Create a file like this. With the multiple repeated contents. Don't create the repeated contents sequentially. One data ಬರ್ದು ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬರ್ದು ತಿರ್ಗಾ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದಾ? Don't write anything. Don't. If you do everything written in the sequence, then no use of sorts on this. You are helping Linux to cover that. Do like this. No PowerPoint made today. First point. Got it. Getting the Raman. What happened? You call other name for someone. I need to get familiarized. Nanda? Super. Now, how to remove the duplicate content in the file? I don't want the duplicate. Praveen onde sati barbeko. Ajay sati ಇದೆ. Ajay only one time. Santosh 2 times is there. Santosh should come one time. Kiran also 3 times. 2 times. Kiran also should come one time. I want to display only the remove duplicate content. Doesn't mean that non-duplicate should not display. I want to display remove the duplicates I want to display. ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಸಂತೋಷ್ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಕಿರಣ್ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗಬೇಕು. Getting my point, sir? No. Sort is the command first arranging. For arrange ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇವಾಗ? ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸರ್? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಕಡೆ ಬಂತು. ಕಿರಣ್ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಬಂತು, ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಬಂತು, ಸಂತೋಷ್ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ. ಇವಾಗ how to remove duplicate. Pipeline unique is the command to remove duplicate. ಹೋಯ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ? Sort is arranging. Pipeline unique is passing to remove the duplicate content in the file. Sort file name, pipeline unique. But understand one second. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೂನಿಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯೂನಿಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ನೋಡಿ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್, ದೆನ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಟು ಯೂನಿಕ್, ದೆನ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್. ಯು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಗಿವ್ ಯೂನಿಕ್, ಇಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್. ದಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಇನ್ ಯರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸರ್? ಸಾರ್ಟ್ ಫೈಲ್ ನೇಮ್, ಪೈಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಯೂನಿಕ್. So you should do, please understand and do it, sir. Understand and do it. Don't do simply for naming. Ready? Sure. No. Not really. Come back. Now this only for the displaying purpose. But original file alli ಏನು ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ. This only for the original file ಅದೇ ಇದೆಯಾ? Correct ಅಲ್ಲ sir? What the thing we done now, that is only for display. I want to save this output into a new file. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಡೂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಫೈಲ್ ನ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಫೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಯು ಆರ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ರೈಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ಇವನ್ಲಿ ಬೈ ಡಬಲ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. I want to save in a new file. This output I want to save in a new file called as sorted output. Sorted.txt. Correct, right? In this file I am the post remove duplicate. Original file ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? Any command you want to save the output of your file, command greater than file name. You want to append in the same existing file, double greater than file. Here I should do. Understand my point, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right, sir. First, sort file name, pipeline unique. If you want to say the command output another file greater than file name, here I should do. Ready? Acha sir, very clear, right? See, please understand very clearly this point. Sort unique to remove duplicate. First sort should be updated. First you should arrange, then we going to upgrade it. Then only it going to work. Got my point, sir? Sort file name, pipeline unique, but it's only for displaying purpose. It's not showing in the original file. So we're going to save into the new file. Understand my point? Yes? No?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now, I want to know how many times each content repeats in a file. Praveen ಎಷ್ಟತಿ ಇದೆ, ಅಜಯ್ ಎಷ್ಟತಿ ಇದೆ, ಸಂತೋಷ್ ಎಷ್ಟತಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. Count of occurrence of each content. How many times it repeating, how many times existing, that I want to know. Same command, nothing changes. Unique -c. Count of occurrence. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ? ನೋಡಿ, ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ದ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಕರೆನ್ಸ್. ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಎಷ್ಟತಿ ಇದೆ ಫೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಅಜಯ್ ಎಷ್ಟತಿ ಇದೆ, ಸಂತೋಷ್ ಎಷ್ಟತಿ ಇದೆ. Do it, sir. Getting, sir. Done? Done, sir? Now, I want to display only duplicate content. By seeing only, you can see which all duplicates here. Kiran, Praveen, Santosh. Okay. Unique -D will show only duplicate content. Super. Unique -D. Unique -C count of occurrence of each content. Unique -D display only duplicate content. Sort file name unique. We remove duplicates and show. Interesting. Everything we are doing in the graphical. Now we use it to command line. How much knowledge you are getting, you can only think. Right click, left click, you are doing operation, not getting any knowledge. Because it only shows you what to sort, for every sort, every click in the window, one command. That much knowledge is getting increased. More the command line, more strong you can be in coding, more you can be in the IT. Less the command line, less opportunity. Windows server not only there now. No one going to use Windows only for students. In IT, no one going to use Windows. Please be very clear. More the command line, that much helpful for you. Ready, sir? No. Come on. Now, I want to arrange with respect to column numbers. I want to arrange with respect to column. Let's we done only with the single columns, right? Till now. Let's do it with respect to column number. Let's create a one file with the column, then we'll try to sort. Okay. Recording no, sir. Recording, right? First I'll do it, later you can do, sir. Please, please. Observe now. How to sort with respect to column numbers. Which is column, which is row, sir? This is column. Then this is the first column. 267 1 becomes second column. 56 25 88 become the third column. Now I want to sort with respect to column number. First column sort first column smallest 13. 13 is smallest, then first line display agutte. Column number, sir. First column, which is lowest? 13. First E line barutte. Second 55. Second E line barutte. Third second column ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ first lowest ಯಾವುದು 1. ಹೌದಾ? First E line ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Second ಇದು 2. E line ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಮೂರನೇದು yes sir? That will do. How to mention the column number? Sort hyphen K1. K for column. K1. Since it's number, I need to mention N. Number ಆದ ಕಾರಣ file dot text, sir. First column number 13, first line ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು, second ಇದು, third ಇದು. So, second column ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ first E line ಬರುತ್ತೆ, second lowest ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಮೂರನೇದು ಇದು. We can't sort with respect to row, we can sort only this column. Reverse ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ NR. Descending. Do it. Everyone should understand. The next Saturday or Sunday there may be class, because Tuesday Wednesday I am not available. Please don't be, who is working here? Working Saturday, Sunday off. No? What time in here?
Saturday hour. Saturday hour.
No, time is.
4:30 to 9.
Filter?
4:30 to 9.
Okay, morning if you keep, will come here. You madam? Evening. Saturday, Sunday we'll keep the class. Future next day not be available. Future also if may require, don't feel like in the ending of session we'll be having the Saturday, Sunday classes. Please be available. Don't fix it like weekday batches. You should be dedicated. College going is for different sir. If you coming for job sir, more the time will come give to me, more the output will come from me. I'll be doing 15 hours extra. More than the course if you're taking 10 to 10 days, if it takes more, 10 to 15 days. More the time you going to give me, that much output is coming from me. Getting my point, sir? Please be available on Saturday, Sundays also. If they require, I'll take classes. But in the end of the courses, Saturday, Sunday will be there. Will be. Okay? Next week, Saturday or Sunday, I'll take. One day only. One day only I'll take. I'll inform that. Because Tuesday I'm not, Tuesday, Wednesday I'm not taking. Getting my point, sir? Aita? What, madam? Sure. Clear? Now. I'll show one small thing, sir. We need to cover the load average before that. But before load average, I would like to show you one thing. Load average is required complete one class only. Required that one. But before I'll cover a small topic. Cover a small topic that actually I was doing in after 50, 40, 15. That's just for your understanding. As I told in Linux, there is a no recycle bin. Yes, sir. When the file got deleted, you will not be able to recover. But in a few cases, we will be able to recover. That I came to know before 3 years. When I trying to exploring, right? At that time, what the thing I had done in office, what are the things I'm going to do in office? Same thing only I'm delivering it. Completely a production only. From basic to advanced you're getting. Correct? That's what the thing I learned in office, I'll show you. No need to do, just I'm showing you. Linux defaultly file is not able to delete it if there's a no recycle bin in Linux. But in few cases, able to recover. How it happened? That case scenario I'll tell you. That's during the Christmas time. One of the clients has provided the data around 1 TB or 10 TB data. Somebody in my office, somebody in my team only mistakenly deleted. Tomorrow onwards, we need to broadcast, use that data, 1 TB, 10 TB data, sir. Christmas time, no one will be working in US. Correct, sir? They provided data. We need to use that data. We need to broadcast them. Marketing, that advertisements we need to send. But somebody that zip file, somebody has deleted it. Default answer, we not be able to, at the time, till that time, we also thought he's not able to recover. But manager, that another 4 to 5 days time was there. Manager given us the time for 4 to 5 days, try to explore it. If you are able to achieve, otherwise we need to contact again to the client and get back the data. But in few scenarios, when exploring, I got to know, in few scenarios we are able to recover. That I'm going to do practicals also. That I'm going to show you practical also. Why I'm telling now, this all the things you are supposed to highlight in the interview. This all the impressing things. After this, once I learned this thing, once I explored this, once I got the solution, right? It was a very big thing. Big thing. Now I understood everyone. I mean, the teammates also we explained it. Everyone able to do. Next, because we need to come. That's a new client, sir. 1 month back only got the offer. Again, is beginning only if you do this type of irresponsibility, we'll give contract. Yes or no? Bad impression for HCL. Correct, sir? So, in few cases we done. After once I done this thing, right? I was very much happy and manager not given me work for next 15 days. Oh, that's sir. That, correct, sir? I'll show you. This you need, why I'm telling you people here, this you are supposed to, what are the don't tell a deleting for recovery in the job responsibility. What are the challenges you face? What are the things you felt happy when you're doing, when you, in your career? What are the field you have been proud about yourself, what you have done. These all the things are written in notes also. No need to worry. Getting my point? So what are the things I'm doing in office? Everything appended in notes also. Getting? I'm going to show you. Please observe it. You don't need to do it. Just understand. Because load average, it will take at least 45 minutes for me to do. That we can. I don't want to do in a hurry. Observe. I'm creating on file. Like file and recover. ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು KB ಫೈಲ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ರಿಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು TB ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ 10 20 30 ದೀಪಕ್ ವಿಜಯ್ ರೈಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ನೇಮ್ Zayan was is the file sir. Another duplicate session I'll open. I'll log in as a Santosh. To TMP only. File underscore recover. Tail command we know. Tail command in functionality last. Okay. Tail command is closed mode or open mode? Close mode. Tail command close mode, yet command close mode, everything close mode. There is another option here we're going to discuss. Tail-F. Tail-F will show in the. It's never going to close. Other tail command Tail-F if you give, it always keep the file in reading mode, open mode. It never going to close. Tail command Tail-F also. Future you going to next week you're going to learn one command called Vim. Vim for editing. VI or Vim both are same for editing. That also is open mode. It's open mode. To prove you, I have an open mode file is here. I'll add your name Karthik, no sir. Karthik, I'll add it. Add ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತ ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತ ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಬಂತ this is open condition immediately it is a live keep the file reading immediately it show tail command ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ಇದೆ ಇವಾಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಬರಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ Tail-F you always keeping the live report of the file. Correct sir, we are able to recover only the file, deleted file, only if file is in open condition. ಈ ತರ ವಿಮ್ಮಲ್ ಆಗಲಿ Tail-F ಅವರೇ ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅವರು. So I am able to recover. I am going to prove now. Correct? Now, how to verify file is in open condition or not? LSOF. This file name. List of open file. LSOF list of open file. ಸಂತೋಷ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ ಇವಾಗ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ Tail-F ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇವಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಏನು ತೋರಿಸಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಗಾಟ್ ಮೈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸರ್ ಐ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ Tail-F ಸರ್ ಇಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಶೋಯಿಂಗ್ ನೌ ಎಸ್ ಸರ್ ನೋ again I'll open Tail-F able to see yes now getting my point or not sir correct. On that day, one of my colleague, right, he deleted the file now. I'm deleting the file. But file already, yaro open madidare. At a time, 60,000 user can log in, I told sir. One of the guy in Latin America done like this. Correct, sir? That is the, we should thank him only. If he's not open, we are not able to recover. This is the only one chance where you can recover. That I'm going to show you. I'm going to delete the file sir. Improve ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಫೈಲ್ ರಿಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇವಾಗ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫೈಲ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ರಿಕವರ್ ಫೈಲ್ doesn't existing but file will open if you want to check in LSOF now where is that grab it out see sir last entry ನೋಡಿ same entry ಇದೆ but last ಅಲ್ಲಿ deleted ಬಂದಿದೆ ಇವಾಗ correct or wrong same entry sir but last got deleted but file doesn't exist now ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ನಮಗೆ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈಲ್ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇವಾಗ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಸಿ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಹೊರಟೋಯ್ತು. Now there is no chance of recovery. Now there is no chance of recovery. Understood my point or not? Getting my point? I repeat voice, sir. Understanding, right? We can able to recover only if the file is in open state. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅವ್ರು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಆ ಫೈಲ್ ರಿಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದಿ ಸಂತೋಷ್ ಯೂಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಈಗ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ತರ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ ಐಡಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ವಿ ಟೇಕನ್ ದ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ ಐಡಿ, ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಫೋನ್ ನಂಬರ್, ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಹಿಮ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಫಾರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 24 hours. So we troubleshooted, we got it. That how to do that also I'm going to do now. Got my point? Yes? Now I'm going to create a file. Once again, file got deleted now. I'm going to create a file. Then I'm going to delete and recover it. See the file existing now. Now file is not in open condition. Now I'll do tile-f. Now file become open condition. Yes sir. Tile ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಬರಲ್ಲ. Tile-f is a live report. Now I'm going to delete the file. ಹೌದಾ? ಫೈಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ. ರೈಟ್? ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಫೈಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಫೈಲ್ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅದು ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಸಿ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಈ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಹೊಟ್ಟೋದ್ರೆ ಫೈಲ್ ರಿಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Now there is a proof sir, file doesn't existing. Yes or no? Correct? We are getting here LSOF entry because file is in open condition somewhere. This is the key way. Santosh has opened, so only. Here we are no. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾರಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ ಐಡಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. We need to, from employee ID, we need to check this mail ID, we need to call him, we need to inform him. Don't use this server for next few hours. Now I'll show the recovery. Got my point, sir? In next week, we're going to discuss one directory called as a proc directory, PROC. That contains only the live details, sir. Actually, this I was covering out of 50%. For 10 minutes, I can't cover any major topics, sir. So only I'm taking this thing. Getting my point, sir? There's one directory called proc. Process ಏನಿದೆ ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 6576/proc ಅಲ್ಲಿ 6576 process ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ FD ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಫೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಇದೆ. ಫೈಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್. I'll try to CD. I'll do ls-ltr. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಲೀಟೆಡ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಡಿಲೀಟೆಡ್ ಅಂತ? ಏನಕ್ಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫೈಲ್ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಓಪನ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಡಿ ಹೌದಾ? ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಫೈಲ್ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಫೈಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೋಡಾಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಫೈಲ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಚೆಕ್ /tmp file recover. I already told. File is not there. File is deleted, process is open. If I give control C, gone now. Not able to recover. This is no small file. Nan madi 10 TB file. Consider. That's the thing you should tell. Now I got to recover, sir. Please observe. Pointer ಆಗ್ತಿರೋ 3 ಗೆ. It can be any number as per the 3 I giving. I want to say the same file, sir. File recover. ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಮುಂಚೆ ಏನಿತ್ತು ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ 10, 20, 30 ಅಜಯ್ ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್. ಸೇಮ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇವಾಗ. ಸೇವ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅವಲೇ ಫೈಲ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಡಿಲೀಟೆಡ್ ಫೈಲ್ recovered. These all are the interesting things, sir. I am telling you, whether they ask or not, you put this point. Maximum question will get reduced. Getting my point, sir? Don't tell day-to-day activity this thing. Deleting file recovery. No. Getting that, you should add this point as a plus point. What is strength? What you're proud of it? What's the thing you felt happy about? What's the thing you've done? Understand my point, sir? In your notes also, you once you few course completed, then you can track it. Getting my point, sir? Sure? Yes, sir. Okay. Monday we'll connect back on load average.